The Dog and the Bone. Chapter 4. A lesson learned. But another dog was no longer there. Dog looked for the bone. The bone was gone too. Where was it now? Dog had lost his bone. Now he had nothing. Dog said, sad as though he walked home. It was not his lucky day. Fables are stories with lesson. The lesson is called a moral. Here is the moral of this fable. Greed can lead us to lose what we already have. Goodbye.